Without overhead costs from setting up physical bank branches, virtual banks can potentially offer a lot lower fees and higher interest rates compared to the traditional banks, who obviously have a lot higher costs because they have physical branches. Now, virtual banks are typically targeted towards the new generation of, digital first, mobile first consumers, the millennials, but also those who prefer doing their banking anywhere, anytime, from smartphones instead of, looking for parking, visiting the bank physically. And technology obviously plays a huge part in this. Certain technologies already available to simplify, for example, account opening and going through a know your customer process, which looks at, document identity verification, which can be completed now through facial recognition and liveness technology. Also, assessing credit scoring for loan applications can also be done fully online without a visit to the physical bank by the use of automated decision engines powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. So manual forms, example, credit card applications, loan applications can be done completely online through mobile phones. Banks have to really fundamentally redesign their entire banking experience around the customer. How do I fit your life and make it easier, faster, and more convenient versus the old days? Now, to be honest, if my bank can save me time, energy, and cost from having to visit the physical bank or make me wait endlessly on the phone for a simple request, I will develop a closer relationship and loyalty or affinity with the bank that doesn't have to put me through that. The banks really need to put their customers first, as mentioned before, or they will lose out to companies like Grab and Gojek, who are now offering, financial services a lot quicker and cheaper. However, this has really forced the traditional banks to up their service, reduce their fees. So at the end of the day, it's really the customer that will end up winning out of this competition. Will involve retraining of human capital and a real mindset shift. So jobs within banks will move from low-skilled, repetitive roles to a more high-tech and skilled roles, which is where the training aspect plays a key role. For example, in Singapore, we have My Skills that's provided by a training program, which is a government initiative that organisations can send their employees and get the costs subsidised. I believe Malaysia is also invested in a training program that allows employers to do that. So I think government also plays a part here in ensuring that these training programs can be afforded by organisations who are going through this transition.